Hello everyone, welcome to our new videos today. I'm going to introduce our new products on my right hand. This is a 2-liter jar, the replacement for the blenders. Let me give you the overall dimensions first. For this one, it's about like a 5.5 inches wide. And the other side also 5.5 inches. And the overall tall, it's about like a 12.5 inches tall. And also we have a handlebars right here. For this handlebar, it's about like a 5 1/4 inches long and the 1.5 inches deep. And also we can see the manufacturers, they gave us accessories, the sticks. You can remove the top, the caps holders, and also you can push in through this hole, and we will have something sticking on the side. You can use this one to push down. And when we open the top, we can see the blades at the bottoms. So when you clean it, you need to be a little bit careful. Just don't harm yourself. This will be the all demonstration information about the products. And if you do have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.